So can you actually believe it? We have the May Look Fantastic beauty box to go through. This year is absolutely flying, but stick around if you're interested in seeing what comes in this month's box. Hey guys, I'm Becky and welcome to my channel. I mainly do plus size fashion, beauty and lifestyle videos. So if that sounds like your cup of tea, then hit that big red subscribe button down below and give this video a big thumbs up. I really appreciate it. On this channel I upload every Tuesday and Thursday, and sometimes there's a little bonus video thrown into the mix. Sometimes on the weekend, but sometimes just kind of random. And also you can find me on LinkedIn, TikTok and Like to Know It at Becca Wren, all the same in all the places. So if you fancy giving me a follow there as well, I would really appreciate it. So this literally came in the post this morning. I feel like it's a little bit late, isn't it? Probably because of the bank holiday and stuff. But I just thought let's get and film it today so you can have a good look-see. Love this colour blue. It kind of looks like Tiffany blue. Really pretty. Haven't had a look inside yet, so let's take a peek. So you always get the magazine, always. Oh no, the phone's going. I feel like every time I film there's something, like we've got someone chainsawing all morning, and I just thought I'm just gonna have to film because otherwise I'm never gonna film. So yeah, you always get this little magazine in the box. We'll just say I do have a discount code with them, where you get a discount off a 6 or 12-month subscription. I'll leave my code on the screen now and all the information will be linked in the description box down below. So let's have a little look-see. Oh my god, why am I taking so long to open it? It seems really full this month. Wow, what's this? This is huge. So this is what we have in the box. We have got, so first up is this little pink plasticky thing, and this is a silicone exfoliating pad by the Vintage Cosmetic Company. I've seen this brand quite a few times at like TK Maxx and stuff. They do kind of like Cath Kidston inspired things. This is an interesting little tool. It's got with a handy suction pad, so I guess you can like stick it to your mirror or something when you're not using it. It's kind of a bit like, I guess, those microfiber cloths, kind of like a oh my god, the phone's going again. Right, so hopefully that's enough interruptions for this video. Yeah, so I think it's a bit like those microfiber, like reusable type products. Definitely different. It's nice that it's a product that like lasts, obviously, because this has multiple uses. So yeah, I'll give it a go. There's a lot of like big sizes in this. We have this huge hand sanitizer. I thought it was going to be like a it looks like a facial wash, but it's just a giant hand sanitizer gel. Now if this was given to us last year, I think we would all have been like, yay, I could put it on eBay for like £20. But now I have a lot of hand sanitizer. This is huge as well. This is 125ml. Could be good if you can like refill maybe your handbag size ones. I thought this was going to be like a face wash or something though, which I think I would have preferred, but yeah, we might get some use out of this. But to be honest, I've got so many hand gels around the house that I probably won't use this, so I'll probably pass this on to someone who needs it more than me. Then we have this, which looks super exciting. This is by Dr. Botanics, and it's this kiwi superfood cooling eye serum. And it's in like a really decent size. It's 15ml. Let's open the box. Oh, it's a very interesting colour. It's almost like milky. Can you see how interesting? I do like anything that's like hydrating. It doesn't really say on the packaging what. Ooh, it's very like watery. It smells like. It smells like cucumber. That's really nice. I'm really excited to start using that. Also, sorry I don't have my nails. I'm giving my nails a bit of a break from gels and they look like really gross at the moment, so yeah, sorry about that. You're just gonna have to live with it. Then next up we have this e-cooking peeling mask. Don't panic if your skin turns red, it just means it's working. Oh gosh, that sounds kind of scary. I have very sensitive skin, so I've heard lots of good things about this e-cooking brand though. I've never tried anything from them before, so that's really exciting. Oh, it smells kind of weird, you know. Interested. I think we'll read about this one more in the magazine. I like the magazine because it like tells you like everything. There's loads in this box, guys. Next up we have a This Works hand cream. I do like a hand cream, especially with all the hand sanitizers that we're using at the moment. Kind of like an iconic duo, I guess, in the box. Also really like this brand, This Works. It's quite a high-end brand and all their products do tend to work, which is I'm guessing is the point of the brand. Yeah, I know you can get this brand, I think, in like Space NK, obviously like Look Fantastic website. It is a really like quite well-known brand as well. It's good to get a good, nice, well-known brand in the box. Woo, very spa-like, very botanical, but yeah, it's definitely spa-y. I quite like it. I definitely will keep that on my bedside table. Then we have a Burt's Bees Cucumber Mint full size lip balm. I have so many lip balms on the go, it's kind of like embarrassing how many I have right now, but I think I will keep this around. I do like their lip balms, and again, it's great to have a full size of something and from such a well-known brand. Why am I holding it like this? That better. But yeah, that's a really nice little product to get in here. I think they had 3 different scents or flavours. I don't know what you would describe this as, a flavour or a scent. I don't know, would you call this a flavour or a scent? I don't know, I don't know, I don't want to taste it to find out. Anyway, nice little lip balm. And then the final thing in the box is this, oh my god, I'm so sorry guys if you can hear that chainsaw. It's literally been going off all morning. It's quite far in the distance, thank god, because it would have driven me insane. But yeah, it's like constant. I have no idea what they're doing. But anyway, we've got this really little diddy tube of the Comfort Zone Hydramery Gel Cream. I think it's a moisturiser. I love the colour blue. It looks like so pretty, like periwinkle. Really cute. Love how everything's also like sealed. So it's just a white lotion. I think there is a smell. Put it right up my nose. I've had so many creams on this hand now. Ooh. That is quite a nice smell. Also, that feels really nice. A lot of, I feel like they always put hydrating products in the boxes because I feel like everyone needs hydration. So that's really nice. Let's have a look in the book and get some more information. Oh, I think that might have been, I think we've had some different products put in our box compared to what's in the magazine, which is kind of weird. That's never happened to me before, so I don't really know what's going on. So I don't have any information on the hand sanitizer or the gel cream. I think this was a replacement for the eSpa eye moisturizer, which is sad because I think that's the thing that they were kind of touting last month. I love an eye cream, so I'm kind of sad about that. The peeling mask is to tighten and smooth your complexion. Active ingredients to get rid of dead skin cells and encourage cell production. Apply a thin layer to dry, cleanse skin. Leave for 4 to 6 minutes, and you like build up over time to maximum 10 to 12 minutes. Use 1 to 3 times a week. I would only use a peeling mask once a week. That's just a tip from me. I don't think you should put your skin through it any more than that. Then we've got the Dr. Organic Kiwi Serum, lightweight cookie absorbent serum formula eye treatment that combines superfood ingredients to create a soothing treatment to defend the delicate eye area against external aggressors. So use regularly to see visible reduction of signs of aging. That's got vitamin A, grapefruit, caprylic, APHA and kiwi seed oil. Interesting. Then we've got the lip balm. It's a lip balm. Yeah, and then I was meant to get a multifunctional soap sponge. I wanted the soap sponge as well. This is a bit sad. And then I've got hand sanitizer. Why have I got hand sanitizer? This is really sad. I love those soap sponges. Let me know if this happens to you. This has never happened to me before with a Look Fantastic box. So that's really strange. Interesting. I find it kind of weird when they do this magazine and then what you get in the box isn't what's in the magazine. Because I've had it where you can get different options and they talk about it, but I've got 2 things that are a bit sad. Next month we've got a Balance Me pre and probiotic cleansing milk. It looks just like a little diddy, only worth £8. I think this is my most disappointing month yet. Not because of the products, because there's actually quite a few things that I do want to try, but I'm just disappointed in like this. Like I don't want hand sanitizer. I really wanted the other things in the magazine with like compared to what I've got. I think it's just more like disappointment, if you know what I mean. Like when you're promised something and like you're shown it and then you're not given it. I find that really odd. Okay, well, that's the box. I think the things I'm most excited about are the Kiwi Serum, the This Works hand cream. I did like this gel cream, but I really wanted to try that eSpa eye cream. And also the e-cooking peeling mask, because I wanted to try something from e-cooking for a while, but I haven't. This is maybe not the first thing I'd have wanted to try from the brand, but hey ho. So yeah, this is the first box I'm a little bit meh about, but I still like the products that I got, if you know what I mean. Let me know down below if you got the same box as I did. Like, don't know what's going on there. Really wanted the sponge. Never mind. If you are interested in signing up to a subscription, then you can use this code on the screen right now. I think that's with a 6 or 12 month sign up, or you can just use my link down below in the description just to sign up regularly, and then you can cancel anytime. They always tend to be amazing value for money. You do get like loads in the box to try out, and that's what I really love, is just having some new stuff to try out every month. It's always fun for like me and mum to mess around with it all afterwards. So yeah, even though I was a bit disappointed, I think we'll still have a good bit of fun trying out all these new goodies. So if you haven't yet, don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below, give this video a big thumbs up and leave me a little comment down below. Hope you're staying well and safe, and I'll catch you later. Bye.